Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2 available on Android devices? So I already installed the application what HUAWEI offer for the earbuds, and if you open it right here we can check supported devices for this application. You need to click a device, so you can click here or here, and then click Add manually. And right here we have a list of supported devices, so we go to Entertainment at the left side right here, and to Earphones. And we can we have FreeBuds SE 2, so right here we have these earbuds, and my short answer is yes, it's available on Android devices. But to install this application, you need to install it from the AppGallery, and if you can't use Google Play, and if you don't know how to install and set up it, you can check a video at this channel. It calls how to set up and install the application for these earbuds on Android devices. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.